Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox we got ourselves a little prize, and you might can see it right there. It's a little bitty hit and miss engine. I ordered it online, and I thought it'd come kind of as a kit, but it come fully assembled. But basically what I got to do is just make a pedestal and everything for it to mount on, and it runs on gasoline. It's a little gasoline hit and miss engine, so we're going to look forward to getting this thing going. Overall length of the little engine is roughly 7 inches, and the width is about 12 millimeters, about 4 3/4 to maybe 5 inches. This is the little spark plug right here. Looks just like a real little spark plug, and screws into the head. Everything in it works. When you get it, you'll get just the engine. I'm going to use this piece of aluminum, extruded aluminum. To me it looks kind of like channel iron, and I may kind of shape it to where it has handles on it or something like that to look more like a regular hit and miss engine might be set up. It also came with its little ignition box, and it has a 3-wire Hall effect switch is how it sets its ignition firing time. Has a little 2-wire for your battery supply. I do not have a battery for it right now. I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to use and how I'm going to hook it up. But they do give you an extra Hall effect switch and the little other end of the power supply wire. Here's the little fuel tank that it came with, and I thought what I'd do is somehow make the bracket off of these channels, have a little raised bracket, and just use the fuel line. And then it goes into the bottom of the carburetor. But I tell you what, it's pretty interesting. A complete little engine with nearly everything to get it going just right out of the box. It's got the little flyweights, and it catches and holds the valve open just like on a regular hit and miss engine, and I'm sure I'll have to adjust it some. So anyway guys, the next time you see this little engine, we'll have it pretty close to running and maybe even running. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.